Does erosion matting or straw actually help germination when you're planting grass seed? We're gonna get into that, but a little life update. If you guys are following my channel, this here is not my normal house, and that's because we recently moved. The lot you can see is a lot bigger, and the house itself, well, we gained a little extra room. If you've been following me on Instagram, I've been doing a lot of inside renovations where we completely gutted our kitchen and made it bigger, and I've just been super busy. Haven't been posting on here because that has taken a lot of my time. That's now coming down to a close. We're soon going to be moving in here, but let's get back to what I did to this front lawn. This here is 4,100 square foot of brand new grass seed. And the whole reason for that is this little section back here in the corner was zoysia. Oh, warm season, gross. So I sod cut all that up. I hauled it all out. I brought in topsoil. I leveled it off. And this section here was a section that I just killed with Roundup and planted new. With it being so late in the springtime when I normally would overseed or seed my lawn, I end up putting down erosion matting over here because if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I'm notorious to have huge washouts during the spring and fall. That was neat. This side here, I did not put any erosion matting down, and this side I did. And so far before I pull it up, it looks like this side has a lot better germination, is a lot bigger than this side. Everything had the exact same amount of watering at the same exact time, both the boulevard strip and the side or the main lawn here. So really the only difference is one's covered and one's not. Which is better? Well, let's start taking this off and get into it. Now that that's all up, let's go and take a closer look and see what really happened between the boulevard and the main lawn. Here's the main lawn. You can see I was walking all over it, but if we go down closer to it and take a look, we have good germination. Now this is all just perennial ryegrass. The Kentucky Blue has not germinated. And if we look over here, we have some spots that really just didn't germinate quite as well compared to this. But if we're looking at it apples to apples, I mean, it's still germinated pretty well. So the question was, does erosion matting work? Well, it was actually pretty hard to tell. The boulevard strip and whatever you guys actually call that strip did pretty well with germination with no grass covered at all. Back here where I did put the erosion matting, now what's left is a whole bunch of straw that I need to get rid of. So was adding erosion matting and covering your lawn with straw really worth it with the risk of weed seeds, the hassle of putting down the erosion mats, the cost of the erosion mats, and then the hassle of removing them and taking them away, leaving you with a whole bunch of straw? I don't know. It's hard to tell. What do you guys think? Do you think it's worth it or not? One thing I do know is I didn't have to worry about a bad germination and I didn't have to worry about any washouts. Historically, I had washouts whenever I do my renovations. It's just inevitable. It always happens to me. So I lean towards erosion mats when in doubt. If it's like the boulevard strip, I switch it because it's such a small spot. You get good seed to soil contact by using a garden weasel, and you generally should have good germination. A lot of people worry about birds as well when they start eating your grass seed. I think they're more after the worms that come up after you start watering your lawn and they come up through the mud. There's a lot of birds here, there's a lot of bird nests here, and I have pretty good germination. So even if they did have a feast, well, I still have a nice green lawn. Now the biggest, most fun thing is we're gonna start mowing it. So I'm gonna go find out which mower I wanna use. You guys follow along because we're gonna be doing much more updates on this. Catch you in the next one.